Invest in the stock market.
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 Create a budget to manage expenses.
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 Start a side business.
Start a side business.
Start a side business.
Start a side business.
Rent out a room in your house.
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 Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Freelance your skills.
Freelance your skills.
Freelance your skills.
Freelance your skills.
Invest in real estate.
Invest in real estate.
Invest in real estate.
Invest in real estate.
Start a blog and monetize it.
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 Offer car wash or gardening services.
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 Learn and trade cryptocurrencies.
Learn and trade cryptocurrencies.
Learn and trade cryptocurrencies.
Learn and trade cryptocurrencies.
Save and invest your spare change.
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 Tutor in a subject you are good at.
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 Write and sell an ebook.
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 Develop and sell a smartphone app.
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 Invest in a high-yield savings account.
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 Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Sell handmade products online.
Sell handmade products online.
Sell handmade products online.
Sell handmade products online.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Sell photos online.
Sell photos online.
Sell photos online.
Sell photos online.
Host a garage sale.
Host a garage sale.
Host a garage sale.
Host a garage sale.
Collect and sell antiques.
Collect and sell antiques.
Collect and sell antiques.
Collect and sell antiques.
Offer personal training services.
Offer personal training services.
Offer personal training services.
Offer personal training services.
Rent out your parking space.
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 Create and sell online courses.
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 Join a direct sales company.
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 Write articles for websites.
Write articles for websites.
Write articles for websites.
Write articles for websites.
Start a podcast and get sponsorships.
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 Flip items purchased from thrift stores.
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 Create and sell music.
Create and sell music.
Create and sell music.
Create and sell music.
Teach a fitness class.
Teach a fitness class.
Teach a fitness class.
Teach a fitness class.
Design and sell t-shirts.
Design and sell t-shirts.
Design and sell t-shirts.
Design and sell t-shirts.
Rent out equipment you own.
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 Start a catering business.
Start a catering business.
Start a catering business.
Start a catering business.
Sell your artwork.
Sell your artwork.
Sell your artwork.
Sell your artwork.
Write reviews for products.
Write reviews for products.
Write reviews for products.
Write reviews for products.
Become a mystery shopper.
Become a mystery shopper.
Become a mystery shopper.
Become a mystery shopper.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Participate in paid surveys.
Participate in paid surveys.
Participate in paid surveys.
Participate in paid surveys.
Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Create a membership website.
Create a membership website.
Create a membership website.
Create a membership website.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Invest in peer-to-peer lending.
Invest in peer-to-peer lending.
Invest in peer-to-peer lending.
Invest in peer-to-peer lending.
Become a professional gamer.
Become a professional gamer.
Become a professional gamer.
Become a professional gamer.
Sell your own branded products.
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 Offer repair services for appliances.
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 Become a real estate broker.
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 Run a bed and breakfast.
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 Invest in vending machines.
Invest in vending machines.
Invest in vending machines.
Invest in vending machines.
Become a social media influencer.
Become a social media influencer.
Become a social media influencer.
Become a social media influencer.